Very good morning, students. I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So, students, let's start today's class. Now, students, in this week, we have done only revision of fourth class. We have done only basic work in our maths notebook, like tables, like addition, subtraction. These all are, ये सब हमने किया है, tables करें, sums करें. Okay, so students, tables आपको learn हो गए. You have to learn all tables from 2 to 20. Now, from today, I am going to start our book, chapter number 1. So, students, this is your book. The name of our book is My Maths. This is a book of class 4th, and I am teaching you this book from this book. Now, today, I am going to teach you chapter number 1, numbers and numeration. So, students, open your copy. Don't write anything in the copy. Just look at the blackboard. I have explained you about numbers and numeration. Today we will explain you smallest number and greatest number. Yes, smallest 2-digit number, greatest 1-digit number, greatest 2-digit number, greatest 3-digit number, and smallest 2-digit, smallest 3-digit, smallest 4 digits. So students, you all know the greatest 1-digit number is 9. So today we will explain you 5-digit numbers. So student, first, 1 more than 9 is 10. If we add 1 in 9, we will get the answer 10, or 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. 1 more than 9 means 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So 9 is the greatest 1-digit number, and when we add 1 in the greatest 1-digit number, we get the smallest 2-digit number. जब हम greatest 1-digit number में 1 प्लस कर देंगे तो हमारे को कौन सा नंबर मिल जाएगा? This is the smallest 2-digit number. Same as 1 more than 99 is 100, or 99 plus 1, more than means plus 1. Less than means 1 more than means plus 1, or 1 less than means minus 1. So here it is only more than 1. So more than 1 means 99 plus 1 is equal to 1. So when we add 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, so we get the smallest 3-digit. इस चीज का ध्यान रखिए बेटे. When we add 1 in greatest 1-digit number, then we will get the smallest 2-digit number. When we add 1 to the greatest 2-digit number, then we get the smallest 3-digit number. देखिए, this is 1 digit, this is 1-digit greatest 1-digit number, and this is smallest 2-digit number. Here it is 2-digit, 1 and 2. This is greatest 2-digit number, and when we add 1 in greatest 2-digit number, we get the smallest 3-digit number. Means 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 is smallest 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. When we add 1 in 999 means greatest 3-digit number. So the answer is 1000. 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. So when we add 1 in 999 or greatest 3-digit number, we get the smallest 4-digit number. This is 1000 is smallest 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3. Yes, when we add 1 in 9999, so our answer is 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. So when we add in 9999, we get the smallest 5-digit. So students, I hope आपको ये चीज अच्छे से समझ में आ गई होगी. You understand very well. So we observe that when 1 is added to the greatest 4-digit number, we get the smallest 5-digit number. Okay? जो हमारा greatest 4-digit number होता है, जब हम इसमें 1 जो भी हो, greatest 1-digit, whether 2-digit, whether greatest 3-digit, whether greatest 4-digit, and when we add 1 in these greatest number, we get the smallest 1-digit number, smallest 2-digit, smallest 2-digit number, smallest 3-digit number, smallest 4-digit number, and smallest 5-digit. So students, see the blackboard. ध्यान से आप इसको देखिए, look carefully. So now we will start the exercise of this chapter. See at the blackboard. Don't write in the notebook because it is already mentioned in your book. So read this from the book. So students, see here. Now students, open your notebook, write down heading exercise 1A, chapter number 1, and name of the chapter is numbers and numeration. And write down question number 1, write the heading of question number 1, write the number names. Question number 1 is numbers name. So students, we write down the number names. What is this number? Read it. Ones, this is ones, this is tens, this is 100 and this is 1000. So 7 is 1000, this 7 is 100 and 1 is tens and this is 6 ones. So 7716. 7716. So write down the spelling of 7000. SEVEN 7, THOUSAND 1000, 700, 700, 1660, SIXTEEN 16. So write down the number name of 7716. Now second is 3864. So write down the spelling 3000 800 64. Now question number 2. So student, question number 2 is write the figures. इसको हमें किस में लिखना है? We have to write these in figures. यहाँ पर ये figures में था तो हमको words में लिखना था. इधर in it. Here it is in the words. Now we will write in the figures. First is the smallest 4-digit number. Smallest. So students, I have already explained you that smallest 2-digit number is 10. 1010. So smallest 4-digit number is, this is the smallest 2-digit number, this is 3-digit and this is 4. So smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Write down 1000. Next है the largest 4-digit number. Largest 4-digit. So largest 1-digit number is 9. So largest 4-digit number is 9999. 4 times 9. 1, 2, 3. Right? 4 times 9. This is largest 4-digit number. Next is between 6020. So 6000. 6 is 1000. Before 1000, what will come? क्या आएगा before 1000? 1000 से पहले क्या आता है बेटे? 100 आता है. But यहाँ पर 100 नहीं है. Only 6000 है. So we put 0 at the place of 100. Then 20. 20. Now there is no ones number and there is no 100 number. 100 or ones number is not in this figure. So we put 0 at the place of ones and 0 at the place of 100. Because if our digit is in 1000, then we will write in 4-digit number. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 4-digit number हो गया. अगर हम 0 put नहीं, when we will not put the 0, so it is wrong. So ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 6000. 100 की प्लेस पे 0 आ गया. Then 20. 20 में तो ऑलरेडी 0 आ गया. So ones प्लेस में भी 0 हमारा आ गया. So write down 6020. Next is 1,09,909. So students देखिए, look here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then lakh. So how many digits in lakh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lakh में हमारे कितने digits हो गए? 6 digits. So we will write here 6 digit number. So 1 lakh. How many lakh? 1 lakh. 900. There is no 10,000 and no 1,000. There is no number in the place of 10,000 and in the place of 1,000. 1,000 और 10,000 की place पे कोई भी number नहीं है. So we put 0 at the place of 10,000, 0 at the place of 1,000. Then 100 देखिए 900. So 900 हो गया बेटा. 909. There is no digit of at the place of tens. Tens की place पर भी कोई digit नहीं है. आप यहाँ पर only this there here it is only 909. तो 909 means 90. So we put 0 at the place of tens. We put 0 at the place of 1,000. We put 0 at the place of 10,000. इस तरह बेटे हम 0 पुट कर देंगे तब ये now this number is 6 digit number 1 2 3 4 5 6 ones tens 100 1,000 10,000 lakh. ये देखिए lakh से स्टार्ट हुआ. in lakh there are 6 digits number. lakh में कितने हमारे digits का नंबर आते हैं? 6 digits के. जो भी आपके places जो है वो नहीं है, if there is no 1,000, if there is no 100, if there is no 10,000, then we put the 0 on that place. उस place पर हम उसकी जगह पर क्या लगाएंगे? 0. Otherwise our answer will wrong. नहीं तो हमारा आंसर wrong हो जाएगा. So students write down question number 1 and question number 2. Now students write down your homework. In homework I am giving you the number names. You have to write the number names of these. You have to write the number names of these figures. So students, this is for now. First I will explain you. Some number A is this is 4,218. So write the spelling of 4,218. So students, do question number 1 and 2, and after that then you will write the question number 3. At side में write down here HW. So students, write these number names in your maths notebook in very neat and clean handwriting, and if you have any problem regarding these number names then I will discuss in the live class. So students, this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.